matter how important you feel, you cannot threaten to declare an ambassador persona non grata. As an individual, you cannot afford that. The Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations is the governing law on interstate relations in respect to diplomacy. Article 9 of that convention requires that if any state has a grievance against an ambassador, it communicates its grievance to the sending state. Because this is a receiving state, America is a sending state, complain formally to the United States of America as a sending state. Formally means in writing, signed and sealed with the seal of government. Not everybody everywhere commenting, giving an ambassador 3 days. If you don't apologize, we shall send you away. We shall chase you from Uganda. Let us stop running a country as if it is an abattoir. It is in an abattoir where you express the past sentence against a cow, you slaughter it without a fair hearing, without a fair trial. So abattoir politics cannot work in Uganda, and internationally they are rejected.